Hello, Dr. Mendenall here, and we're going to do compare capacity. This is chapter 8, lesson 6 in my math. Okay, capacity, how much something can hold. They want you to put little shapes in here and figure out which one holds more and which one holds less. But can you tell just from the size of the sandbox? If it's a bigger sandbox, would it hold more things or less things? And if it's a smaller sandbox, would it hold more or less? So take a second here and look at these. Now, do they have a circle around this one here? It's just a circle, the one that holds less. So the smaller it is, the less it holds, right? I showed you the other day my containers, and this container holds less than my juice bottle because it is shorter and smaller, right? Okay, so let's get to the work. So we are on page 522, and you can see our 3 vocabulary words up at the top. We have a k word up here, capacity. That one's capacity. Then we have holds more, holds less. And I can tell from this picture that we didn't circle the one that holds less this time. We circled the cup that holds more, the container that holds more. So I'm going to read the directions while you look at 2 and 3. Okay, here's number 2. Compare the containers. Circle the object that holds more. Draw an X on the object that holds less. If they hold the same, underline them. So which bag is going to hold the most pieces? This one here on the left or this one on the right? Let me get my pen. Will you mark your page? And I would say this one holds less. So I'll put my X here. And this one holds more. And there's my circle. All right. Now the second half of the directions said to underline it if it would hold the same amount. So do these 2 containers appear to be the same? Yeah, they do to me. So I'm going to put an underline here and an underline here. All right, so now you know what you're doing with the rest of the assignment, which has more and which has less. So here's numbers 4, 5, and 6. You're going to compare the containers. And again, you're going to circle the object, the container that holds more, and put your X on the one that holds less. All right, pause me here and do 4, 5, and 6. Okay, hopefully you're done with page 523, and I'm on 524. Look at all of these containers. A lot of these containers hold liquid, right? But this box down here, this box would hold some solids, right? Oh, and that one holds popcorn. Ooh, popcorn. Our question is, which one holds more? So look at the objects in the box. You're going to draw an X on items that hold more than the object and circle the ones that have less. So again, we're switching it. So circle the ones with less. This looks like my cup of coffee here. Is it more or less than this popcorn? Less. I'm going to give it a circle. All right. This right here, this is an igloo cooler. It's going to hold several cups of liquid. So I'm going to put my X here because it holds more. Okay, give me a pause and do your circles for less and your X's for more. All right, here's page 525. You're starting your homework here. On this page, excuse me, it says circle the objects that hold more and cross out the ones that are less, just like this sample up here. Now I'm curious what it's going to say on the next page. On the second page of your homework, page 526, circle the object that has more and draw an X on the object that holds less. Okay, We can do that. And here's number 6 down here. Draw a line from the object that holds more to the words holds more. And the object, the container that holds less, you're going to draw a line to the words holds less. Remember, both of these words start with holds. So we have to look for which one is more and which one is less. All right. Have fun with your homework. I'll see you next time.